Hello everyone. India has more than 6 lakh villages, but monitoring their environmental health is still a slow and manual process. Government officers often rely on scattered reports, delay surveys, and complex satellite images that require technical expertise. By the time issues like vegetation loss, water scarcity, land degradation are identified, the damage are already occurred. Gram District comes here. Our platform is an AI-powered rural intelligence platform that converts satellite image into actionable insights, helping government detect environmental problems before they become crises. Our platform combines Google Earth Engine, satellite images, environmental analytics, and artificial intelligence into single simple dashboard. From a single platform, user can search any villages, analyze environmental health, compare the historical trends, and generate AI reports, even interact with our AI assistant. Let me show how it works. For example, we will search a village. For example, I will search Kolhapur. Within second, our Gram Drishti automatically retrieves the village boundary and finds the satellite-driven environmental matrix. It requires 45 seconds to 60 seconds to fetch the data. User don't get GIS knowledge or technical expertise. Everything is here processed automatically in the background. This is our village dashboard. Instead of storing raw data or numbers, which are technically tough to understand, we transfer the into an easy understanding number, which is calculated out of 100. We called it as health score. The score is calculated using various environmental indicators such as vegetation, water availability, climate stability, or landscape stability. This allows decision maker to instantly understand overall condition and identify which area requires attention. In environment, we can visualize different types of scores such as NDVI for vegetative health, NDWI for water moisture, surface water area, green cover, temperature, rainfall, humidity, wind speed. We also classify land into vegetation, cropland, build-up area, and water bodies, giving a comprehensive understanding of environment. In history, we get not only data of today's but also past. In our app, you can easily view the data from 2022, 23, 24, 25 or 26. Here we can observe the trend in vegetation, green cover and surface water over multiple years. Instead of manually comparing image data, our AI automatically detects this data and present them to the user in easy to understand format. Talking about chatbot present in our left, it is one of the most important and powerful feature of our Gram Drishti platform. Instead of navigating through dashboard, official can simply ask question in natural language. Website provides an important feature of generating report. After completing the analysis, our platform generates a comprehensive AI-driven powered report by just one click. The report includes exclusive summary, environmental health score, climate metrics, historical trends, and AI recommendation. Gram Drishti is not more than a visualized platform. It is a clear, intelligent decision support system that transforms raw data into clear, actionable. Our vision is to create digital environmental health record for every village in India, enabling government to move from reactive disaster management to proactive climate resistance. With Gram Drishti, we don't just observe village, we help protect their future. Thank you.